In this video, you will learn how to do leader lines. To begin with, you'll want to click on No Spacing. Once we come down onto your document, or move your mouse down on the document, right-click on the document, click on Paragraph, then to the bottom left, once this box pops up, click on Tabs, and your cursor is right where it needs to be. Now we need to decide where we want our leader lines to be. Some of you have seen leader lines maybe in the beginning of a book where it may say chapter 1 and it has all those dots after it and it'll give maybe page 2. Some of you may have seen it on a restaurant menu. Maybe you'll see French fries and then it'll have all the dots after it and maybe it'll say $2, something like that. So what we're going to do is our tab stop position. Let's start with a 1.5 tab stop position. So we're going to set our first tab stop. So we're going to go ahead and set it. And now we have a beginning, and now we have to have an end. You always have to have a beginning and an end for your leader lines. So let's say our end is going to be at 4. Now with our ending leader line, that's where we need to attach the leader lines to. So the way we attach the leader lines, notice we have all the dots at the bottom here. Go ahead and click on that. And maybe this number 2 will help you, because the beginning where we put the 1.5, we don't do anything to that, but the last or the second part of this, we attach the leader line. However you want to remember it, you go for it. Once we attach our leader line to that last or second part, go ahead and set, and then OK. Now right now you're not going to see anything. And the reason why, 2 reasons. First reason, if you do not have a ruler displayed, I don't have my ruler displayed right now, go up to View, and then click the box where it says Ruler. Alright, so our ruler should be popping up. Now notice, I have my first tab stop right here, and I have my last tab stop right here. We have a beginning and an end. Now notice my cursor is way over here. Now we do not start keying any information in until we're at this first tab stop. So the first thing we need to do is push our tab key on our keyboard. Once our cursor matches up to that first tab stop, that is when we can enter in our information. I'm just going to put green. Once you key in whatever information you need, you will tab again. Now notice that you have all the dots, and it brings us to our last tab stop. Okay, then we're going to enter. And as we enter, you can notice the tab stops have not changed. We can just keep going, and our tabs will be in the correct place, or our information will be in the correct tab placement. Now, I'm going to enter again because let's say now we want to adjust our tab stop position. We don't want our tab stops here anymore. We want to create a new one. Let's say we wanted to create one at 2.5 and 5. Let's say we want to do that. So what we'll do is, now that we entered, we're going to right click, click on Paragraph, click on Tabs. Now you need to stop. Having these tab stop positions here will mess up what we want to do for our new tab stop positions, because we're kind of starting something different. So what we want to do is we want to click on Clear All. This gets rid of any and all tab stops starting where your cursor is going down, not what we already did. So what we're going to do, like I said, we need that. Now our cursor is in the correct place. We need to key in that first tab stop position, and I think I said 2.5. So we have our first tab stop position. We're going to set that. And now we're going to key in our last tab stop position, which I think I said 5. Now because this is our last tab stop position, that's what we need to attach the leader line to. Come down here, it's this one here. We need to set it, and we need to OK it. Now notice our tab stop position is right here, and our cursor is way over here. So before we can key in any information, we need to push the Tab key. Put your information in, push the Tab key, and there we have it.